How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous video we have started our lesson number 7, Nothing You Can't Do, and I explained you that lesson in the story of Sharad, how his attitude was changed after the journey. Now today we will do the exercise. Now from word power students, first is write the words given below against their correct meaning with the help of a dictionary. Here there are some words given and we have to find the meaning of that words with the help of dictionary. Now the first is quietly, gently means meekly. Make up for, compensate. Become aware, realize. Not seen or noticed, unnoticed. Easy to see or understand, clear, obvious. To shake slightly, shiver. Believe in others or in oneself, confidence. A person who is watching an event, spectator. Serious, dangerous, critical, and to defeat, conquer. Very great in degree, extreme, and opposite in nature, contrary. Now go to the B1. You already know that there are 5 senses. Now certain words are related with the sense of sight. Example, stare, look. Similarly, there are words related to the sense of hearing, like loud, booming. Some words describe different ways of touching. Grab, press. Now moreover, there are words that describe how things smell. Stinking, aromatic. Now finally, there are words that describe the 4 common tastes. Now some such words are given in the blocks given below. Now here students, there are words given below. Now pick up the words, decide to which sense they relate to and write them in column. One in each case is done for you. Now here like that you have to write the answer like sight, glance, glare, observe, gaze. Hearing, quiet, silent, noisy, noiseless. Touch, tender, pat, grass, grasses. Smell, fragrant, scented, smelly, perfumed. Taste, bitter, sour, salty, sweet. Now from comprehension students, rearrange the following sentences in the correct order of the story. कि इन्हें rearrange करना sentences को correct order में story से. So you go to the answers. The first is Sharad boarded a train to Delhi one November evening. Second, Sharad was thrown out of a moving train and his right arm was cut off. Third, Sharad hid his severed arm with a shawl after the accident. Fourth, Sharad's seat was in a compartment occupied by young disabled athletes. Fifth, Manjeet introduced him to his friends. Sixth, they did not sleep that night. Seventh, the train ride gave confidence to Sharad. Now from B, answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, how did Sharad become disabled? Answer, Sharad lost his right arm 3 years back while he was traveling in a train. He went to wash his hands at the sink next to an open compartment door in the train after having supper. As he finished and turned, the train suddenly jerked, throwing him off balance. He was flung right out of the door and the carriage wheels severed his right arms above his elbow. Question number 2. Why did he constantly hide his disability? Answer. He constantly hid his disability because he did not want to reveal it to anyone. He didn't want anyone to know that he was a disabled person. He felt bad and shy about it. Question number 3. Why did Sharad not meet the eyes of his travel mates when he settled down in his seat? Answer. Sharad did not meet the eyes of his travel mates when he settled down in his seat because he was afraid that someone may notice his disability. He felt shy about it. Question number 4. Who introduced Sharad to the other students? Answer. Manjeet introduced Sharad to the other students. Fifth, what was the name of the girl who had the face of an angel? Answer. The name of the girl who had the face of an angel was Angel. Question number 6. What disability did Kumar have? Answer. Kumar was blind. Now, what is Abilympics? Abilympics is an event where people with disability compete to show the world that people with or without disability should enjoy equal rights and opportunities. 8th, when and where were the first International Abilympics held? The first International Abilympics were held in Tokyo in 1981. Question number 9. What brought a change in Sharad's view of his disability? Answer. When Sharad observed the confidence among his disabled travel mates, his attitude towards life changed completely. He saw that none of them was ashamed of his or her disability or tried to hide it like him. They had a positive attitude towards life. This induced confidence in him and gave a new meaning to his life. Now, 10th question. Sharad's travel mates were going to Delhi to participate in the Abilympics. From the clues given in the text, can you guess what year was it? Now, it was the year 2003. Question number 11. Which one of the following words does not relate to the character of Sharad? So, answer is timid. Now, 12th. Which one of the following words does not relate to the character of Sharad's travel mates? Answer is selfish. Now 13, given below is a layout of the compartment where Sharad sat along with Angel, Manjeet, Shahida, Kumar and Vikas. From the clues given in the text, assign each child the correct seat. Sharad's seat is done for you. Now this is the arrangement. Like here is Sharad, Manjeet and Shahida, then Angel, Kumar and Vikas. This one is window seat. Now question number 14. Which sentence in the lesson tells us that the season was winter when Sharad travelled to Delhi? Now the sentence is, it was a cool November evening and I was thankful that the shawl on my shoulder would go unnoticed. This sentence tells us that the season was winter when Sharad travelled to Delhi. So students, here we complete our word power and comprehension of lesson number 7. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook and learn it.